Naku, ano ba 'to, problema na naman, bakit ba palaging ganito? 'Yan ba ang tanong mo sa sarili mo, bakit palagi na lang may problema sa negosyo? In business, hindi naman kinakailangan maging gano'n, eh. Kinakailangan maging enjoyable. How do you make it something that you enjoy doing? Kasi kung hindi mo na-e-enjoy, 'di ba, hindi ka din ganado magtrabaho, hindi din lumalabas yung iyong creativity na kailangan ma-enjoy natin. And anong paraan? And this is the key. Consistent growth is the key. That's why we created a community of entrepreneurs who believes that every Filipino can live an abundant life. Hindi lang yon. We have scheduled several webinars next year that will touch on market, on finance, on operations, even personal finance and personal growth. We have a website which we are modernizing so that it becomes interactive. The website will tell you where you are going. There is a journey. In every stage of the journey, you have to learn knowledge, additional knowledge. We made this available. In entrepreneurship, kinakailangan alam mo in what stage of the journey you're in, and you have to understand that stage where you're in. So we invite you to join Kapayaman VIP kasi this is what we have in Kapayaman VIP. We don't want you to just keep on battling problems without any sense at all. What we want you to have is your consistency in growth that makes you overcome the problem. You have to be bigger than the problems that you are going to face year after year. Join Kapayaman VIP.